Are smartwatches making a statement in this generation? Well, the answer is a big yes. From the likes of Samsung and Apple to Google, timepieces are taking a turn and Samsung is getting its share with the Galaxy Watch experience.
It's interesting.
The all-around Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and 5 Pro brought the heat last year, and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is expected to arrive in 2023. Here's what we know about the release date, pricing, and other big specs. Design. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 has been subject to many leaks and rumors, including the design and display. According to rumors, the dimensions of the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 smartwatch could be measured at 46.6 x 46.6 x 11 millimeters with a rotating bezel, and it will most likely weigh 53 grams. The smartwatch will also be made of hardened steel or premium titanium to help it withstand and endure crack and falls that may damage the watch. Currently, rumored color options include black and silver. However, more color options will be announced by Samsung when the smartwatch is officially launched.
Trust me, this is going to be great.
In addition, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 may support eSIM, as well as having IP68 standards, dust and water resistance, as well to combat harsh environmental conditions. And speaking of harsh conditions, what health features will the Watch 6 come with this year? An improved blood pressure monitoring feature? We'll find out more later on in the video. Display. This year's Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 could come with a 1.6-inch AMOLED always-on display with a resolution of 450 x 450 pixels. According to Sam Mobile, a new report out of South Korea suggests that Samsung has started to commercialize microLED technology for smartwatches. The microLED panels will be much better than the regular OLED display with its ability to produce brighter and higher contrast ratio, as well as improve direct sunlight visibility, and also significantly provide the watch with more efficiency.
This is just what you need.
Additionally, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Series 6 display will be made with Gorilla Glass DX layer glass to give the watch additional protection to stay and withstand any drops and falls. Performance. The Galaxy Watch 6 smartwatch will most likely be powered by One UI Watch 4 and the Android Wear OS, and could also include a more powerful version of Exynos W920 processor with the 5nm processing precision technology. In addition, the Galaxy Watch 6 will have 3 GB of RAM as well as 16 GB and 32 GB of storage options made available, which will be more than enough to help you store and customize activities, set GPS routes, install apps, save images, and music files as well. Also, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 may have a capable Mali G68 GPU for graphics as well. So far, the anticipated features and specs all seem pretty interesting. But how much will the Watch 6 cost? Want to find out? It's coming up shortly. In addition, the Watch 6 is set to come with a 361 mAh lithium-ion non-removable battery that will power the watch and may be wireless charging compatible, as well as including a Bluetooth speaker, GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and NFC. The Watch 6 will also be compatible with Google Assistant to help you undertake activities such as setting timers, checking for weather updates, making calls, and sending messages. We also expect that the Watch 6 will come with the route, workout, and trackback features as well. And while counting on more health features, why don't you subscribe to this channel? That way, you will be the first to know about any new updates on the Watch 6. Other internal performance features will also include a variety of useful health sensors, such as a barometer, pulse rate, and blood pressure monitoring, as well as MILSTD810G and ECG certifications.
Wow, that's great.
Just like the Watch 5, the Watch 6 will also have an improved version of the VO2 Max feature to help you indicate your lung and heart health and endurance, as well tracking your sleep, and make analysis and track your sweat loss during workouts to help you determine the best ways to rehydrate. Their bioelectrical impedance analysis sensor, BIA, that can help determine your body fat, muscle mass, water content, and basal metabolic rate will also be equipped in the Watch 6 this year. In addition, We expect Samsung to take its health feature a step further with additional features like Apple's advanced temperature tracking and menstrual cycle tracking feature. Some major additional rumors from Mark Gurman of Bloomberg states that Apple Incorporated is planning to start using its own custom displays in mobile devices as early as 2024, an effort to reduce its reliance on technology partners like Samsung. So, it is likely we might not only see the micro-LED display, as mentioned earlier, in only Samsung's wearables, but in Apple's wearables as well. Price and release date. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Series 6 is expected to cost around $420/356 or more, according to rumors. And considering that the Galaxy Watch 6 isn't available yet, consumers should not be surprised when there are any increases in their prices when it is officially made available. And with regards to the release date, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is expected to be released in the second half of 2023, specifically arriving in late August 2023. Let us know what features you would want to see in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 in the comment section below. In the meantime, check out the unpacked specifications of the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 360.